It's about logarithmic and exponential functions. The variables x and y satisfy the equation a to the y equals bx. The graph y against ln x is a straight line passing through the points. Find a and b for marks. So first of all, this is a graph of ln x comma y, so the coordinates must be, this is ln x and this is y, this is ln x and this is y. So we can start by finding just x, not ln x. So from here we have ln x equals 0.336. You can do e to the power of both sides. We can cancel out. We have only x equals e to the power of 0.336. We do the same thing with 1.31. We get x equals e to the 1.31. Now we can divide, so we cancel out here. So we divide both equations. So you plug into this equation here, a to the power of y. If you use this point, a to the power of 1.00 equals bx. The x is this, so we use this formula. We plug in the x and the y value. The x is 0.336, the y is 1.00. We get this equation, and we use the x is 1.31, the y is 1.50. We get the second equation. So after we get the two equations, we can just divide both equations. B divided by b is 1, so they cancel out. We have only, from here we subtract the powers. Division means we subtract the powers, we get minus 0.5. And here we divide the powers, which means we subtract the powers. So 0.336 minus 1.31, we get this. And then because we need to find the value of a, we can raise both sides with this power minus 2, because when we have power to a power, we multiply. When we multiply here, we get 1, so we have a to the power of 1, or simply a on the left. And on the right, use a calculator, you get e to the power of 1.948, which is, because here we are rounding off to the nearest integer, just 7. Now if we want to find the b, you can use one of the two equations here. So if we use this equation here, this one here, so you plug in the value of a. So don't use the rounded off value because your final answer might be inaccurate. So this is an intermediate working. You don't use the rounded off value, so you use the exact value, or you use the answer button or the calculator value. So we plug in here and we simplify, because if we multiply the powers, we get this. So we have, we divide both sides by this guy here, and then use a calculator. Here we subtract the powers, and the final answer is 5 to the nearest integer. So we have the values of a and b, and we're done. Alright, I'll see you again next time.